Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made my super delicious Oreo bread pudding. Now guys, let's bake. So guys, here I have my bread and I just took this out the night before from the freezer. So if you realize that your bread is gonna be expiring within the next day or 2 days and you won't be using it, just go ahead and add that to the freezer. You guys can make croutons, breadcrumb, or even good old bread pudding from that. Yeah. So I'm gonna be cutting my breads in cubes, or you can just go ahead and pull that apart with your fingers. Now I'm also going to be using eggs. Now I'm cracking my eggs one at a time. Just in case any of them is bad, I don't want to contaminate the entire batch of eggs because I only have 4 eggs. Yeah. Now I'm also going to be using 1% milk and I'm going to be going in with 3 cups of that. Also vanilla extract, cinnamon. If you guys want to go ahead and add nutmeg, you guys can go ahead and do that. You also can use rose water and almond extract if you guys have that on hand. Guys, I also went ahead and add half cup of granulated sugar. I didn't have brown sugar, but if you guys do have brown sugar, you can go ahead and use that instead since it's the healthier route to go. Now, before I add my custard or even my Oreo, I'm going to be adding cornstarch to this because I do like the consistency that my bread puddings have when I add cornstarch to it. Now, using a rolling pin, you just want to go ahead and smash that Oreo in a Ziploc bag. Or if you guys have a food processor, you guys can, go ahead and do that also. Now you want to add all that to your bread. Toss that together. Now I'm gonna be adding my custard, guys. You just want to use your fingers because you're preparing this for yourself. Or you guys can go ahead and use a glove if you know you have company and you don't want to use your fingers, you know, just to be sanitary or whatever. But yeah, I'm just using my hands. Just ensure that they're clean though. So you're just gonna toss all that together and look how good that is. This was so good. Oh my goodness. What I regret making was a creme and glaze because trust me, dude, so good. Now I'm just adding that to my prepared loaf pan. Now in a preheated oven at a temperature at 350 degrees, I'm gonna be baking these for about 40 to 45 minutes. Guys, look how good this looks. Oh my god, like this looks so good. Guys, I'm just glazing that with simple syrup. And oh my goodness, just so good. Oh my god, this looks so good. This was so good. I had this with vanilla ice cream, guys. Trust me, amazing. Now guys, I'm just gonna cut into it and you guys are just gonna see how that looks. Look at that. Look at that. So guys, I had this with vanilla ice cream and it was amazing. You guys can have this with vanilla ice cream, or as I mentioned before, you guys can go ahead and make creme and glaze. This was so good. You can find a creme and glaze recipe online if you don't want the vanilla ice cream. Yeah, but the ice cream is amazing with it. Okay, you'll thank me later, and I will be sure to list all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description for you guys, I promise. Okay, I love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.